Hello, curious minds. Welcome back to our cosmic journey. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? What if we told you that black holes, those mysterious and incredibly dense objects in space, could be more than just cosmic vacuum cleaners? What if they were portals to entirely new universes? Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into one of the most mind-bending questions in modern physics. Could black holes be gateways to other universes? The basics of black holes before we venture into alternate realities. Let's quickly review what a black hole actually is. At the simplest level, a black hole is a region of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. This boundary, known as the event horizon, marks the point beyond which nothing can return. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycle. The core shrinks to a point where it becomes infinitely dense, creating what's known as a singularity, a point in space-time where the laws of physics as we know them break down. But here's the twist: what if black holes aren't just the end of everything? What if they're actually the beginning of something else? Wormholes and the multiverse. Let's talk about wormholes, which are hypothetical passages through space-time that could connect distant parts of the universe, or even different universes altogether. The theory of wormholes is based on Einstein's general theory of relativity, which allows for the possibility of shortcuts through space-time. In simple terms, imagine space-time as a piece of paper. If you fold the paper in half, the two ends touch. A wormhole could be the fold that connects these 2 points instantly. Now, picture this: what if the singularity at the center of a black hole is one end of a wormhole, and the other end leads to another universe? This theory has fascinated scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike. So, when you think of a black hole, imagine it not as a dead end but as a cosmic tunnel, an entrance into another universe entirely. Theoretical models supporting black holes as portals. There are several theories that suggest black holes could be gateways to other universes. Let's explore some of the most compelling ones. The Einstein-Rosen Bridge, wormhole theory, proposed by physicists Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen in 1935. The Einstein-Rosen Bridge is essentially a model of a wormhole. The idea is that a black hole could be connected to a white hole, a theoretical object that spits out matter and energy, potentially from another universe. A white hole would be the opposite of a black hole, where matter and light can escape but nothing can enter. If black holes are connected to white holes through these bridges, they could serve as portals to other universes. The many worlds interpretation. The many worlds interpretation, MWI, of quantum mechanics posits that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple parallel universes. Could black holes be the gateway through which matter from our universe enters another, parallel universe? In this interpretation, crossing the event horizon of a black hole might be akin to stepping into a parallel dimension. The idea of a multiverse, the concept of the multiverse, or the existence of multiple universes, is gaining ground in theoretical physics. Some theories suggest that our universe could be just one bubble in a vast sea of other universes, each with its own set of physical laws. Black holes, with their extreme gravitational fields, could act as portals between these universes, allowing for the exchange of matter and energy between them. The firewall paradox and new universes. A more recent theory involves the idea of a firewall at the event horizon. This firewall could be a highly energetic barrier that protects our universe from being consumed by the black hole. Some scientists believe that rather than being destroyed by the singularity, anything that crosses the event horizon could be transported into a new universe through a kind of cosmic reset, where the laws of physics start fresh. What happens inside a black hole? While we can theorize about what might happen at the event horizon, the interior of a black hole remains a mystery. According to our current understanding, once something crosses the event horizon, it's inevitably drawn toward the singularity, where space-time becomes infinitely curved. The extreme forces at play would stretch and compress matter in a process called spaghettification, essentially turning anything that crosses into a long, thin strand. But here's where it gets really wild. What if the journey through a black hole isn't just a one-way trip to oblivion? Some scientists speculate that inside a black hole, space-time could be so warped that it connects to another universe. This would mean that, rather than being destroyed, objects and even light could emerge in a completely different part of space-time, or a completely different universe. The black hole information paradox. This brings us to a fascinating problem in modern physics known as the black hole information paradox. According to quantum mechanics, information can never be completely lost. However, the nature of black holes suggests that any information that falls into them is lost forever, which conflicts with this principle. Some theorists propose that the information is not destroyed but rather transferred to another universe, potentially explaining the paradox. Challenges and controversies. While the idea of black holes as portals to other universes is tantalizing, it's not without its challenges. One major problem is the fact that, based on our current understanding, anything that crosses the event horizon of a black hole would be crushed to oblivion. Even if a black hole were a portal, there's no clear way to survive the journey through it. Another challenge lies in the fact that we don't have the technology to observe what's happening inside a black hole. Since light can't escape, we can only study their effects on the surrounding space. Until we can find a way to explore black holes more directly, whether through advanced technology or by finding ways to observe the other side, will remain in the realm of speculation. So, could black holes really be portals to other universes? While it's still a theoretical concept, the idea is supported by a number of intriguing theories and models in physics. Black holes might not be the end, but rather the beginning of a journey into another world. Whether it's a wormhole linking us to a parallel universe, a passage into a multiverse, or a cosmic reset button, the true nature of black holes remains one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. As we continue to explore the far reaches of space, one thing is certain: the universe is far stranger and more mysterious than we could ever imagine. So, keep your eyes on the stars and your mind open to the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of black holes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow space enthusiasts. Until next time, keep wondering. What if?